This is a walk around video. I have Anderson plug that charges from the alternator of the towing rig while I'm driving. This is a 7.5 gallons of propane. There's 3 propane outlets with different type of fittings. This is quick disconnect, 1 pounder standard, gravity fed water filtering, gravity fed water filling. This is a water outlet. This is also a gravity fed water outlet. Speakers with 2 USB 3.0 charging with 1 12-volt lighter. Storage in here, and also a pile driver marine speakers. And there's 2 of them, one over here. Same thing, more USB and 12 volts. Stainless steel top cable. They all flipped up and suspended by chain. Here's another flip down. I have a 12-volt battery. I'm sorry, 24-volt battery, 200 amp hours, 60 quart ice chest with 46 gallons of water pump, 24-volt to 12-volt converter, not done yet, still need to do some cleaning. And the blue thing back there is a DC to DC 12-volt to 24-volt converter. Have another table here, stainless steel. Water heater for shower or washing. Stabilizers. Another table that flips down with 2 sinks, either washing or cleaning. I have 3 knobs here that controls the stove right here. So each one controls each burner. I have 3 extra propane outlet with different type of fittings. I have another water outlet. I have drinking water outlet, which is filtered. And then I also have a 24-volt voltmeter. Currently is at 25.5. And I've been running my freezer with 1 charge about 12 or 13 days ago. So that battery is comfortably running 2 weeks with 1 charge. Here, it's not done. It's still a lot of plumbing. It's my custom-made stove, and it also has a grill right here, so you can grill some basic stuff, small. And then they have 2 big burners. They have 50,000 BTU each. One thing nice about this setup is that it's mounted to the door, and then it closes with the door. So when you want to go camping or you are at the location, all you do is just open the door. Everything is ready to go. It's pre-plumb, so the propane is ready to go already. When you're done, all you do just close it and lock it. This side, I didn't put anything because I want my towing rig able to jackknife with the trailer, so it go flat against it. And obviously my special custom-made towing coupler, 3-dimensional articulation. And last but not least is my rooftop tent. It goes straight up and it will slip too. I turn it sideways because it will utilize my space better. I also have a vent right here, so that way my waterproof trailer can breathe. I also have a little fan in the bottom that sucks the air out and sucks the air up and out It is waterproof also. So everything here is waterproof, and all the connections are sealed, and you know, it can cross water as long as below this point, which is about 3.5 feet. So it's still quite capable. It has matching tires and wheels with a towing rig. The towing rig is an FJ40. It's 1973 Toyota Land Cruiser. So it has a Chevy GM Performance crate motor, 330 horsepower, and 381 pounds of torque. And it is the drivetrain is a 5-speed Chevy Dodge NV 4500 transmission. I have extra fuel tank, but anyway, this is how it looks like. And I started this project about October 22nd, 2020, and pretty much done right now is mid-January, so about 3 months or so. And that's it, ready to go, ready to do some, you know, off the grid stuff, because I have plenty of water, 46 gallons, plenty of propane, 7.5 gallon, and plenty of power. I have 200 amps lithium batteries, and I also charges while I'm driving. So I have plenty of power to live for 2 weeks easily by myself. So plenty of real estate for table, and obviously the freezer slides right out. There are locks, sliding rails, heavy duty. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy, and if you like them, thumbs up, subscribe. Once again, this is all homemade from scratch, even the axle.